Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in front of the volcano in Le Havre, France. So this is France, and this is Le Havre, and this is the volcano. And well, that's a hand. That's not a volcano, but this is the volcano. Oh my gosh, it's this huge white building in the center of town. Let me go ahead and show you some more of it. It's pretty cool. So this is like a little complex, and it's a theater. And the whole thing is a theater. So I don't know if this part is a theater and this part is a theater, but the building is enormous. I mean, it's this huge, radically round building, and it's surrounded by apartments all the way around, or houses or whatever. But let me get to the outside of this and I'll show you what I thought was pretty cool about it. I mean, besides the shape of it, it is just, I mean, I guess I understand why they call it the volcano. I mean, it literally looks like a, you know, like a, I don't know, like a mountain, and there's a thing on top. But they added a touch, and I don't know if they did it on purpose or if it's, well, obviously they had to do it on purpose, but let me show you up here more. Is that pretty amazing? And the sun's coming up right now, and it's colder than heck, and let's see, and it's kind of in the center of town. There's the big lake over there, with the bridge that crosses, but this is a better view of the volcano. Is that pretty cool? But it's still not the part that tickled my fancy. Although the building architecturally is amazing, and it's white versus all the other gray buildings. Le Havre was pretty much destroyed in World War II. There wasn't much left. So everything's pretty new since World War II. So this building, I mean, obviously you can see it's white, and it's, you know, it's pretty cool. But I'll show you the best part. It's that. Do you see the guy up there? It's a skateboarder. So they put this skateboarder guy on the very top of the building up there, which I think is pretty amazing. Let me see if I can zoom in on this thing. Oops. Is it still recording? Let's see if I can get up there. Maybe I'm zoomed in all the way. Yeah, I guess I am. You know, this little zoom button's kind of hard to get to. Anyway, I just thought that was really cool. They got the little skateboarder up there. Very cool. On the volcano in Le Havre. Very slick. Okay. All right, everybody. That's it. I'll move on. Bye-bye.